Yeah guys, very quick video here about how to migrate from the Nova Launcher to anything which is open source, fully transparent and doesn't pose the risk which we have now when using the Nova Launcher. How the story started was actually that I had more and more problems with the Nova Launcher. It got stuck so many times. So I went to the Google Play Store and then started to read the most recent reviews, and so it was not difficult to find out that obviously the Nova Launcher has been sold and been taken over by a company which is now probably trying to squeeze out as much money as ever possible, no matter the risks of the users. So based on a lot of reviews here, they are doing a lot of tracking, monitoring, selling their data, and so on, especially in the free version. I think they haven't started in the paid version. I've been on the paid version, but I've been still very worried about that. So I was looking for something else, and somebody mentioned that Lawnchair 15, which is open source, has a beta, I think beta 3, something like that, which has an import for Nova Launcher. And so I googled for the link. That's also something which I recommend to do. Go to a browser and search for the download of the Lawnchair Launcher beta version with the import for the Nova Launcher. I'm not posting any links here, it's too dangerous on YouTube, but you can find that easily on Google. And so I downloaded and installed it, and so I'm here actually already on the new launcher. Of course, very important, go to the Nova Launcher, go to the settings and do an export, save the export here on the phone so you can do the import later. Don't have the Nova Launcher here anymore, so I can't show you exactly where the export is, but it's not too difficult to find it. And so after downloading and install the Lawnchair Launcher, you will get an icon here, of course, so you can invoke it, and then you have probably pretty much an empty space, something like that. And then you click somewhere just on the empty space, and then you will have three options: wallpaper widget, home settings, and in home settings you will find everything, and of course also the import function, which is on the right top. That's at the very bottom, restore Nova backup. So you just click and then select the Nova backup and then import it. It will give you an overview what you're importing, and I didn't change anything. The problem which I had, it was just showing a page like that. The problem was, of course, that the Launcher has been creating multiple pages, and so you can just swipe, for example, to the side where you have your stuff. The problem in my case was just that on the very left side, which is shown, for example, when you swipe up or so, that was the empty page, and all my icons which I had were on the right page, which is not good. So what I did then, I went to the home settings and removed some stuff which it has placed automatically on the left page. For example, I think the at a glance, that's some preview information, for example, from Google. When you add this here, like that, it will place that automatically on the left screen. If you don't have a left screen, it will create a left screen, and then you don't know how to remove it. That's here. Maybe there are also other things. Can't remember if it was something else. I think the most important thing which I had to remove was the at a glance. I mean, you can add that back manually after that anyway. It's a normal Google widget. And so after removing that, I had more or less exactly this thing. Of course, I had to optimize the shape of the icons, these things. And of course, again, I had to add this at a glance widget from Google manually. So I have it here on top. Works really nice. I mean, it's not the most beautiful overview. Nova Launcher has definitely been a little bit more stylish, better visible, but I'm still pretty happy with it. Everything has been working really good. Something which has been missing, and I don't know how to solve that. I hope I can solve that during the import. Everything has been imported, even the folders, for example, like the weather apps which I have here. But I had here also some links, just shortcuts to browser web pages, and they haven't been imported. All the apps, like the shortcuts or the icons for apps, they have been imported. I haven't been missing anything till now, but it didn't import the shortcuts to websites in a browser. Unfortunately, I had maybe 10 or 20, something like that, also here on the weather folder here, and they are missing. I hope I can do a re-import on a later day where they are also supporting the import of these links. Other than that, everything is working really nice. What I've found here, of course, there are some limitations compared to the Nova Launcher. We don't have all the options, and so for example, I haven't found an option where we can swipe down within a folder. I think it works only to the right side and not up and down. And now, of course, I have this widget here on the right side, which I was just using here for demonstration. Can put it back. So you can see everything working nicely again. Can't see any real problems. So I would say this Lawnchair 15 Beta 3, something like that. Looks like the import from the Nova Launcher really working. And so despite some minor problems, I'm still super happy with what I've done here. Really love it that I've been able to remove this very, very risky Nova Launcher now. And so I'm on full open source now, which is definitely much, much safer. So I would say that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with migrating from Nova Launcher to the Lawnchair launcher, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.